What we're starting to see from our customer base is they are asking, do you have the ISO 50001 certification? And we are one of the few companies that can actually say we are. And that really provides confidence in the supply chain that everybody can get behind. ArcelorMittal Dofasco is Canada's leading flat-rolled steelmaker. We ship approximately 4.5 million tons of high-quality flat carbon steel to the energy, automotive, packaging, and construction sector, and we are Hamilton's largest private sector employer. Energy efficiency is important to us, and we felt it was important to formalize our existing energy management system to the ISO 50001 standard to really remain the supplier of choice in our chosen target markets. Natural Resources Canada facilitated a step-by-step approach for Dofasco to be certified. We've been able to reduce our CO2 emissions by around 400,000 metric tons. And we are the first integrated steelmaker in both North and South America to achieve certification. Unlike the other international standards like quality of 9001 or environment of 14001, the ISO 50001 standard has a compulsory continuous improvement component. We have really signed up for a framework that ensures we improve our energy performance year over year. And NRCan really put us on the right path to success.